Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brandie Channail coming to you with another video. We gonna try this again, okay? As y'all know, I recently did a Poshmark unboxing. It was a huge fail. But as I mentioned in that video, I have been searching and searching and searching for Ainifeel bags because I just love the quality of them. And one of the bags, I had mentioned that I was regretting that I hadn't purchased more bags before they disappeared. Well, one of the bags that I was sad that I didn't purchase was the Ainifeel Antigona bag. And so I was just looking on Poshmark and I found one on Poshmark. So I had to get it, y'all. Here is my box. We're gonna try this again. Hopefully this goes a lot smoother than that last one, baby, because she tried it and that was not Ainifeel. And baby, she argued me down. And I'm so glad I did an unboxing on camera. Not that they required me to send it or anything, but I had proof just in case. She tried to say I scratched it on purpose. Y'all remember on camera I clearly said, ooh, and here's a little scratch. And just so many things. It was just not Ainifeel. The quality was not there. The bag was not, it just wasn't, it was a no ma'am. And she fought me. You scratched that on purpose. I pride myself on doing stuff exactly as it's described. This and this and that. Ma'am, it's not new with tags. Period. Period. It's not new with tags. It's not Ainifeel. It's not real leather. It's not. It's just not. And you're lying about it. And then you're going to try to question my integrity because you lied. And then I called you out on your lie. No, ma'am. Because y'all, I was really buying it to do for the giveaway. Because I wanted to give away a genuine leather, you know, Chanel dupe. So now I'm going to have to give away the original one. But I'm just like, really, ma'am? And you're going to try to say, I lied and all that, and then talking about I pride myself on on being good to my customers. Ma'am, you only got like 5 sales. Stop playing like you've been doing this for forever. Girl, people tries it. Anyway, we gonna see on this one though. Cause I was like extra cautious on this one too. I was like, I know this may sound like a weird request because I think it's silly that you would have to lie on something that's not even like super name brand. You know what I mean? Like you lying on something being an Ainifeel bag and an Ainifeel bag is a dupe for another bag. Like who does that? Okay, ma'am. She packed this with, these are all plastic bags. And so I asked her, I was like, I smell everything, y'all, just know. I was like, do you have any proof? I know this sounds weird, but do you have any proof that it's an Ainifeel bag? And she was like, I mean, I have. She was like, I can show you where I purchased it on Amazon. Just like, okay, because I'm just making sure, you know. Oh my gosh. So here's the bag. First of all, it's gorgeous. This is gorgeous and it is huge. I don't know, like this is like a stiff leather. I don't know if the real one feels like this or not, but I like the way this feels. It's nowhere near like soft like the lambskin of the Chanel dupes at all. But this one is like an exact, like hardware, looks the exact same as the real and all of that. This thing is heavy too. Is there something in here? Let me see. It's just stuffed with tissue paper. And she didn't, like, there's no like thank you note or anything in here, which is fine. Like, you don't have to do all that, but I always like to check because if they do that, I like to acknowledge that. If I give like a stellar review or something, I want to acknowledge that. So here is the inside of the bag. Oh my gosh, it is huge up in here. It is huge in here. Oh my gosh, I love it. I do. I love it. And so y'all know on the original, it has Givenchy right here. Now this is a stiff leather. If this is real leather, it's supposed to be real leather, I think. I can't tell. I don't know. But the original, these were originally from Ainifeel, like 130 something. 139, I believe. And so this one I got for $60. on Amazon. I mean on Poshmark. This is gorgeous and I love how big it is. Oh my gosh. I'm in love. I'm in love. I don't really have anything to say about it. Again, it's a different type of leather than the other bags that I'm used to from Ainifeel, but it still feels really good. There's no scuffs, there's no scratches, there's no nothing. No weird smell. Like it smells like it don't smell like her house or anything. It's clean on the inside. It has a zip pocket on the inside, and then it has the 2 pockets on the side for like your phone or whatever. I really, really like this bag. It is huge. I don't know if y'all can really see how big it is. I'm so pleased. I'm so pleased, y'all. And so I have another unboxing that I'm gonna do. This zipper is huge. Look at this. Like, look how big this is. Like, oh my gosh. Oh, that is so huge. I love this. I love it. Ooh, child. Okay, well, so my camera is about to die, but this was just a real quick unboxing just to see like if this was anything like the last unboxing, and it's not. Complete opposite. Love this bag. It's exactly as described. It's practically new. It's in really, really good shape. It's huge. It's beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm so glad I purchased it, and at fraction of the cost of the original. So I'm here for it. I do have one that I ordered off Amazon that took quite a little while to get here. I'm going to do an unboxing for that one too, so y'all can see it. It has a little of some slight differences and quirks about it, so I'm going to do a separate unboxing on that, and then I'll compare the 2 of them to see which one is a better option. But guys, that's all I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just a real quick, switch it up on you. I know y'all probably tired of the Chanel quilted bags, but let me tell y'all something. I will never get over that style. It's classic and I just love it. But I wanted to switch it up for you guys. So here is this bag, and thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you guys next time. I love you. Bye.